Brought down. Is this real? Let's start by exploring the first machine. Two powerful partners step into action. The Steel MS 881, delivering 8.6 horsepower from a 121.6 cc engine, driving the chain across a 150 centimeters bar. Alongside it, the Husqvarna 395 XP, weighing 7.9 kilograms with a 93.6 cc displacement. Together, they bring down an ancient tree with smooth, effortless precision. To break timber down into sections that are easier to transport, one tool stands out: the chainsaw. Powered by a 90 cc engine delivering 6.5 horsepower, with a 90 centimeters guide bar and a chain spinning at 9,000 revolutions per minute. The machine runs in a continuous rotary motion, slicing massive logs into precise, clean segments. Let's fire it up. Here's how the Ecolog 590D handles timber harvesting. With a 14-ton load capacity and a 170 horsepower diesel engine, this machine is engineered to cut massive tree trunks into manageable sections for easy transport. Comment 1 if you like this machine. Next up is the performance of the OSA 670 paired with the Helgum Logma cutting head. The OSA 670 weighs 18 tons and runs on a 200 horsepower diesel engine. Working with the Logma head, whose blades spin at 1,200 revolutions per minute, it grips and fells tree trunks up to 60 centimeters in diameter. This machine is capable of cutting down around 60 trees per hour. If these steel machines make you stop in awe, leave a comment, 1, to share that feeling with us. Unbelievable. With just a single machine, Dry timber and dense brush are crushed into a cleared landscape in moments. This is a forestry mulcher, powered by a 300 horsepower engine and a cutting drum spinning at 2,000 revolutions per minute. In seconds, it transforms wild overgrowth into clean ground, helping prevent devastating wildfires. Oh my God! What am I even watching right now? A truck hauling 40 tons of massive logs. With a 30-ton payload capacity and a 400 horsepower diesel engine, the 12-meter-long logging truck crawls down a narrow mountain road, its wheels gripping the edge of the cliff. Every turn feels like a life-or-death test, creating a truly breath-stopping moment. On a steep mountainside, the logging truck crawls forward inch by inch. A 600 horsepower diesel engine sends massive torque through an 18-speed transmission. Huge wheels bite hard into the steep road, dragging 50 tons of massive logs swaying behind. Comment 1 to give this truck some support. The John Deere 1110D is struggling its way across a swamp. Powered by a 210 horsepower diesel engine with 8-wheel drive, it's hauling 20 tons of timber. Each wheel sinks deep into the mud, yet the machine keeps moving forward, driven by massive torque and a rugged, durable drivetrain. In heavy rain, the dirt road turns slick and deeply rutted. A 200 horsepower forwarder, using a hydraulic drive system to maintain balance. It grips and loads logs onto the bunk, then hauls tons of timber across deep, slippery mud. Every dangerous moment feels like the vehicle is on the verge of tipping over. Let's move on to the wood chipper, a true timber shredding specialist. Equipped with a 350 horsepower diesel engine and a chipping drum spinning at 1,200 revolutions per minute, this machine relentlessly feeds on 50 centimeters diameter logs, reducing solid wood to fine chips in just seconds. This is a mobile wood chipper truck mounted on a heavy-duty truck. Powered by a 400 horsepower diesel engine with a chipping drum spinning at 1,800 revolutions per minute, It continuously swallows dry branches and softwood, turning them into wood chips in just seconds. With a processing capacity of around 60 tons of wood per hour, it's truly unbelievable, isn't it? Next up is a wood chipper in action. With 300 horsepower and a chipping drum spinning at 1,800 revolutions per minute, it grinds freshly felled branches and logs along the roadside. Beside this massive machine, the chunks of wood look incredibly small. Let's take a visit to the timber processing yard. This is a hydraulic log splitter. With a 180-bar hydraulic cylinder generating 20 tons of splitting force, it drives the steel blade straight forward, cracking massive logs along the grain in just seconds. Let's move on to the final machine of today. This firewood processor is powered by a 25 horsepower engine and a 300-bar hydraulic system. The chainsaw cuts logs up to 40 centimeters, then an automatic conveyor feeds them into a 12-ton splitting blade, running in a continuous cycle. If you can feel the true power of this machine, comment 1 to share that feeling.